welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Christy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, 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 hey boy, hey girl, how you doing? How you feeling? That's how I'm feeling. Hey guys, so this video is a very, oh, I got hair in my face. My earrings just falling off. My earrings are falling off in this video. My nails falling off. Everything is falling off. Let me fix my earring real quick. Hey guys, this video is a collab with Donita. And if you're here from her channel, welcome. If you are here for the first time, welcome. Alright guys, so this is a collab with the both of us. This is a bob collab with my girl, Donita. I absolutely love her. I know I say I love everybody, but yes, I love everybody in these wig-based streets. But Donita, you might be like my little wig-based sister or something. I don't know. So I found Donita just a few months ago, and I feel like I've known her for a very long time. I don't know. You can't tell me that me and her don't go drink wine and eat sushi on Thursday afternoons. Gives you that warm and fuzzy, like, cute girl vibe. And I know she probably ain't. I know when the lights go off, she probably ain't a cute girl. I'm just playing, girl. Like, this girl is super supportive. Outside of being supportive, her channel is the bomb. She does wig reviews. She does vacation vlog. I absolutely love her channel. She's sweet, she's warm, she gives you that girl next door feeling, but yet she gives a thorough review, and that's why I like her. But y'all, if you don't know about her channel, you need to check her out, because don't sleep on her. Don't sleep. I've also kind of connected with her outside of YouTube, and it feels like she's like my family. Like, you know, I always adopt people because I'm the only child, even though I got like 40 cousins. But you know what, Donita? You number 41. Also, Donita's mom has a book that she wrote, and I just thought it's the cutest book. I just bought it off Amazon. It's this book right here. Hey, auntie, I see you. I see your book, auntie. You know I'm throwing in stuff, but shoot, we gotta support each other. And also, Donita does have her own little business, in case y'all didn't know, and she's selling these towels. It's like an instant yoga towel to help keep you cool, but I didn't try it, so I can't let you know. But I'ma support my girl. So if you want to know the specs on this unit, stay tuned.
What you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
Alright guys, so I'm back. This was a very simple, very easy unit. So the unit that I have is Miss Alana. This is the Outre lace front Swiss lace part wig. So this just has your lace part in the middle, and yes, there was some lace I had to cut off. Honestly, when they have these bobs like this, I don't know why they just don't go ahead and cut them off for us. I have no idea. I mean, I know maybe they're trying to, like, if you want to glue it down, show us. I'm not even gonna make up something. I have no idea. Just cut the lace. Cut the lace for us. We got you. We understand. You're trying to give us a lace effect, but just cut it off for us. I do like how thin this lace is, because it makes the part look really natural. All I did was go in with a little bit of powder in here, and bam, that's it. I do like this color. Donita did pick out this color, and I was like, okay, I guess so. And girl, why I never had a blue unit on my channel before? Because this color is bomb. So this is a DR jade blue color that I have. It has like this dark root, and then it fades into like this nice blue goodness right here. I am noticing a little bit of black, and it's like a little bit of highlighted blues parts in there. It's probably kind of hard to see with the ring lights and the lights and all of that, but it gives a nice little like funky vibe. Like, I feel like I can totally wear her out to a birthday party, or shoot, if I want to just wear her to the back to school night, they gonna be like, whose mom is that? The cool mom with the blue hair. That's who I am. I do like this unit. It is very silky, and it kind of has like these subtle waves in her. It's not like a deep wave, but it's like a nice kind of subtly wavy pattern, but it works. It's beautiful. This unit comes in a lot of nice pretty colors. You got some smoky lavender, there's a red velvet, a golden amber. There's a lot of nice colors in this style. So like I said, this unit was very easy. It's not much to say about this unit except she's cute, she's beautiful. They are some natural colors in this unit as well. I'm not really getting any tangling. She's very silky. As far as shedding, I can't really tell you if I got any shedding because I cut the lace real close this time to the edge, and if I showed y'all would think that's shedding, but I think all this hair that I got all this hair that I got is probably because I cut the lace so close, because sometimes I notice in my pictures I'm seeing a little bit of lace, so I'll be cutting the lace back, you know. Alright, so I don't really have nothing else to say, y'all. I don't have nothing else to say except my nails was falling off. Did y'all notice that? I don't know. They didn't want me to be great. My nails just didn't want me to be great. These press-on nails, they cute, but they falling off. And then my earring tried to fall off. I don't know. But outside of that, this is cute. Alright, guys. Make sure you go check out my bro, Donita. You like how I did that? You like how I did that? I'll just be cutting up, y'all. Anyway, go check out my girl. I will leave the links below to her channel. I will leave all the specs to this unit. And let me know what y'all think about her. Let's talk it up. Until next time, beauties. I'll talk to you later. Bye.